Welcome dear students. Today in this video of Microeconomics Class Plus 1 Chapter 1 Economics and Economy, video number 4, an interesting difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. So under microeconomics, it is the study of an individual unit problems at the level of economy. On the other hand, in macroeconomics, it studies economic relationship or economic issues, problems at the level of economy as a whole. It is basically concerned with output price for an individual firm or industry under microeconomics. It is basically concerned with aggregate demand, aggregate supply, and general price level in the economy as a whole, industries. So under microeconomics, macro variables remain constant. And under macroeconomics, micro variables remain constant. So next point, it has main instruments of demand and supply. Under microeconomics, the main instruments of demand and supply. And under macroeconomics, its main instruments are aggregate demand and aggregate supply. And at last, this is the last point, under microeconomics, market forces play the central role. That is demand and supply. These are the market forces. On the other hand, under macroeconomics, government policies play the central role. So students, this is the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Now, the next difference is positive and normative positive and normative economics. Meaning, positive economics. It is the science which deals with statements of truth. The science which deals with the statement of truth. On the other hand, normative economics, it studies the things as they should be. Statements relate to what was, what is, and what would be. These are the statements which is related. On the other hand, under normative economics, statements relate to what ought to be. What are the bases of positive economics? Positive statements are based upon real facts, truth. On the other hand, normative statements are related to individual opinions. Verification, positive statements can be verified from a real world situation. On the other hand, normative statements are ideal in nature, therefore cannot be verified because it is based on the opinion, judgment, not the truth. Example, higher interest rate induce people to save more. If banking system or any other investment system is providing higher rate of interest, naturally more and more people will invest money over there. But saving is always a virtue. No doubt we are saving, it is good and good for prosperity for an individual. But if we are earning a handsome amount of money but spending very less, it is a normative economics. So these are the some of the reasons of normative economics and positive economics, right in brief. Similarly, microeconomics and macroeconomics. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.